Let's go run there and coming run back.
Now, why on earth would you want to do that, General?
How do I know?
By the way, the video is still rolling. You're welcome to do that.
No thanks.
Come on.
Why?
Because as you said, it's fun.
You going to give me $5 for that? No, 10. 20?
No, I'm not going to give you 5 or 10 or 20 or
deal, right?
even a pound for you to get dry. You're not made out of, get wet. You're not made out of cotton. All you do is just...
No deal then. Deal busted.
You suck.
Why are you even videoing this?
I want to capture the dynamic effect of rain on the floor, I think. What do you think the temperature is? I can see my...
Look, Abdul, all that.
I can see my breath condensing.
Let's go see. What is coming out of me?